Hello everyone, I am Monica. In this video, I am going to explain simile and metaphor poetic devices. Simile. Simile means a word or phrase that compares something to something else using the words like or as. Here the main point is comparison. When we compare two things using the words like or as, that is simile. For example, you were as brave as a lion. Here, bravery of a person compares with lion and with the word as. That means this is the example of simile. They fought like cats and dogs. Here, fight between two persons compares with the fight of cats and dogs and the word like. That means this is the example of simile. In next sentence, he is as strong as an ox. Ox is considered a powerful animal, a strong animal. And in this sentence, a person and an ox compare with each other and the word as. So these are the examples of simile. In brief, we can say that when we compare one thing to another thing using the words as or like, that is simile. Next is metaphor. A metaphor conveys a certain meaning by comparing two or more dissimilar objects without using the adverbs like or as. Like simile, here is also the comparison between two things or more than two things but dissimilar objects without using like or as. Means when we compare two things or more than two things without using the word like or as, that is metaphor. For example, laughter is a best medicine. Here is a comparison between laughter and medicine, and these are totally opposite things. And in this sentence, you don't have the word as or like. That means this is metaphor. He is a shining star. He is for a person and shining star. Both are totally different objects, and you don't have like or as. That means this is also an example of metaphor. So you can say that when we compare two or more than two things without using the word like or as, that is metaphor. Students find it difficult to differentiate between simile and metaphor, but it's very easy. Comparison. Simile uses the word like or as to draw a comparison. Metaphor states the comparison without using like or as. In simple language, we can say that we compare two things with the word like or as, that is simile. We compare two things without using like or as, that is metaphor. Here you can see the example of both. She is as innocent as an angel. Here, a girl, an angel. You can see the comparison of innocence of a girl with angel and the word as. That means this is simile. She is an angel. Here is a comparison between girl and angel without using word as or like. That means this is example of metaphor. In brief, we can say that when we compare two things using the word as or like, that is simile. When we compare two things without using the word as or like, that is metaphor. Thank you.